What's up guys? Today's video is about the top 5 best biometric door locks of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products, do I have to include the links in the description box below, which is updated for the best prices? Like the video, do comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. August has released several outstanding smart locks over the years, but the Wi-Fi Smart Lock is the first one that has a built-in Wi-Fi radio. This retrofit solution replaces just your existing interior thumb turn mechanism and uses the rest of your existing lock hardware, including the keys. It's stylish, easy to install, and performed well in testing. Its $249 price might seem high, but you get plenty of features, including a sensor that lets you know the door's status, auto lock and auto unlock options, and multi-platform support. As a retrofit lock that works with your existing deadbolt, the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a top renter-friendly option. Moreover, this lock's broad support for third-party integrations makes it an excellent addition to any smart home. It works with Alexa and Google voice commands and is a great fit for homes that use Apple HomeKit or other automation platforms from Honeywell, Logitech, SimpliSafe, and Samsung. Number 2. Eufy Video Smart Lock. The Eufy Video Smart Lock is unique in that it combines a smart lock and a video doorbell in a single device. We like that it offers fingerprint, touchpad, mobile app, and key access, as well as its sharp 2K video resolution. Intelligent alerts and multiple LEDs for night vision round out its feature set. Just note that you must install the included chime box to enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. If you want to add a smart lock and video doorbell to your home, but don't feel like dealing with multiple devices, the Eufy Video Smart Lock is a worthwhile choice. You pay premium dollars for this combo, but the convenience of a single device might be worth it for you. Number 3. Aqara Smart Lock U100. Designed for Apple HomeKit, the sleek Aqara U100 Smart Lock offers multiple ways to lock and unlock your door, including with a keypad, a traditional keyway, and with your fingerprint, phone, or voice. It lacks Wi-Fi, but you can pick up a $50 Aqara hub to connect the lock to your home network, pair with Alexa and Google devices, and have it interact with third-party devices using IFTTT applets. With support for Apple HomeKit, HomeKey, and Siri, the Aqara U100 Smart Lock is a top option for Apple-powered smart homes. If you don't need HomeKit support, there are more affordable options like the Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. Number 4. Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Sturdy construction, ease of use, and multiple lock and unlock options make the U-Bolt Pro our top pick. Its zinc alloy exterior component contains a biometric fingerprint scanner, a keypad, and a traditional keyway that hides behind a fold-down faceplate. The lock's built-in Wi-Fi radio helps it connect to your network, plus allows you to lock and unlock it from anywhere using your phone or with Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. It also comes with a sensor that lets you know if your door is open or closed. The U-Bolt Pro is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to smarten up their home with a connected lock. This complete lock assembly is easy to install and offers some of the most advanced features we've seen. For instance, it has a magic shake feature that allows you to unlock your door by shaking your phone, as well as an auto unlock setting that uses your phone's location to disengage the lock when you approach it. Number 5. Yale Assure Lock 2. The sleek and customizable Yale Assure Lock 2 is available in Bluetooth or Wi-Fi variants. Both models support HomeKit, and the Wi-Fi variant works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The base model includes a physical keypad, but you can upgrade to a touchscreen if you want. Physical keys and a companion app are additional unlock methods whichever way you go. If you like to customize your smart home devices, Yale's lock system gives you the freedom to choose which features you want. HomeKit support is a relative rarity in this segment as well. If you enjoy this video, like the video, Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.